A bolt cutter is a must-have powerful cutting tool that can be used for more than just cutting bolts and screws, for both domestic or professional purposes. This standard cutter is a highly versatile, lightweight, and heavy-duty option, which is precious in an emergency and worthwhile in a lot of destruction and demolition jobs, with its long handles and short blades. There are many products available to choose the best bolt cutters for you, each with different characteristics. To help you make informed and perfect decisions, I did extensive research, read tons of reviews, and compiled a list of the best bolt cutters for you from reputable brands. After much research, I found these very helpful for people like you. If you want to know about the price and other information, be sure to check my description. So without any further delay, let's jump into the video. Number 1. Workpro W017007A Bolt Cutter. Workpro is known for making a wide range of power tools and heavy-duty usage products like its bolt cutters that are quite powerful for most users. The Workpro W017007A bolt cutter comes at the first position of this list, since this can be a great option for heavy-duty usage. Thanks to its molybdenum steel blade, you get a cutting capacity of up to 15-30 seconds inch with it. Although, unlike other heavy-duty options out there, its given length rating of 30 inch is a bit short for many users. Fortunately, you still get other things that you would expect from a heavy-duty option like its excellent build quality and a 1-year warranty. Number 2. Tekton Bolt Cutter. You can also consider Tekton and its bolt cutters if you want something made for heavy-duty usage without paying a lot of money. Tekton's 3421 bolt cutter comes at the second position of this listicle, as this can be a great option for cutting large-sized bolts and chains. You get an excellent cutting capacity of up to 1/2 inch with this one. Since you get a length of 36 inches, you can easily cut through hard metals as you get a lot of leverage while using these bolt cutters. While you do get a lifetime warranty with this bolt cutter from Tekton, its build quality is a bit average when compared with other heavy-duty options. Number 3. Knipex Bolt Cutter. Knipex is a fairly premium brand of cutting tools and other heavy-duty tools that can be used for industrial as well as personal usage as needed. This Knipex 7,101,200 bolt cutter comes at the third position of this article because it is a highly strong bolt cutter. And it is a highly compact bolt cutter, making it ideal for portable use. Although, the given 8-inch length is not the best when talking about leverage. Unlike other compact options, this one still offers a very high cutting capacity of up to 1/4 inch, which is quite good. Since this Knipex bolt cutter is ideal for heavy-duty usage, you get excellent build quality and a lifetime warranty with it. Number 4. Olympia Bolt Cutter. As you can most likely guess by its name, Olympia Tools is primarily a brand of tools and hardware accessories that includes a great pair of bolt cutters. Even though the Olympia Tools 39-142 bolt cutters are a bit on the expensive side, these still make for an excellent pair of bolt cutters. This is due to the reason that you get an excellent size of 42 inches with this pair of bolt cutters. Thanks to this given length, not only do you get excellent leverage, but the given cutting capacity of 5/16 inch. Another great thing about this bolt cutter is that you get pretty sturdy build quality and a 1-year warranty with it for peace of mind. Number 5. Ridgid Bolt Cutter. In comparison with most other brands of bolt cutters out there, Ridgid and its bolt cutters are quite premium, but still make up for a great heavy-duty option. Being a premium option, the Ridgid 14288 bolt cutter features a pretty decent size of 31 inches, which offers a great balance between leverage and portability. Thanks to its given cutting capacity of 1/2 inches, it makes for a great heavy-duty option. As you would expect from a premium bolt cutter, this one offers excellent build quality for long-term usage. You also get a lifetime warranty included with this bolt cutter for higher reliability. I make helpful videos daily, so do subscribe to my YouTube channel. Stay updated with our cool products as it will make your life much easier. If you want to know the details of a particular product, please comment. Thanks for staying with Creation Tech.